Hey, Hobby Extreme followers, it's me, Mark.
And Nick.
We're back again. We took the winter off a little bit.
And, I mean, we had the winter off, but also I've been really busy with work.
I've been busy in retirement.
Yeah, you've been doing your teaching stuff.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
actually teaching people to be airline pilots now. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Yeah.
It's just a part-time thing, but we did take the winter off.
We did.
Now we're back. We're looking forward to a new season of Hobby Extreme traveling.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
We got all these new events that are coming up. Our first one we're going to be, which we're mostly excited about for this whole year, and I'm assuming everyone else is Joe Null.
Come on.
2024.
Joe Null's going to be huge this year. It's finally starting to come back after COVID.
Yeah.
That's a good thing.
Last year was an absolute blast.
It was.
And that was our first time of us ever being to Null.
I know.
So
How did we not do that sooner?
we had a hobby shop, and we had all this stuff, and then we got out of the hobby because it was just burnt out from the shop.
Yeah,
But
pretty burnt out.
Yeah,
Well, now we're back in it, and
Yeah.
we're excited. The channel's growing, so thank you so much for liking us and subscribing. We truly appreciate that.
Yep.
Nick's probably going to put the little bell thing now here. So there's a couple of things. One, we want to tease. We've got a video coming right after this.
Yep.
The Night Fires.
This is something...
V2.1s.
Yep.
These are the V2.1s, so they're brighter, they're badder, they're awesome. Got some political stuff on the Night Fire stuff, but we are so happy to see them back in action, and we finally got to say yes.
Yeah, one of the most exciting things I've had in aviation in a minute, just because flying at night, these RC models at night, is probably one of my favorite things, especially at Joe Null when
So
the pros
fun.
fly. It's just awesome. It's so cool to look at.
So fun. Nerve-wracking,
Yes,
but fun.
But really, really fun.
And we love supporting people that are starting up in the hobby. They're giving us products like Night Fires, and they're back. So we encourage you to check out Night Fires. They're probably the leading light right now
Yep.
in the industry to night fly with. So we got a video coming up with that on the unboxing. Check that out soon. But we want to let everybody know that we are back. We thank you for staying with us. We're going to be doing a lot more this season. As you can see, we're kind of packed up for Joe Null.
Yeah.
2024. Nick and I are going to be at Joe Null Tuesday night through Saturday, I think, right?
Yep.
Tuesday night through Saturday. Come by and see us. We're on the 3D line, just across from the dirt road on the other side of the 3D line.
The opposite side of the 3D line.
Yeah, come check it out. You'll see our trailer. You'll see us. Please come say hi if you're around. Would love to meet you.
Yep. And I think that for this season, we're going to not try to do as much videos. Like when we first started this channel, we were going to do a video a week, which for our schedules, for our work, was actually very hard to try to manage.
It's difficult.
So we're going to try to do as they come out. I don't think we're going to have a specific schedule, but when we have something cool, we're going to show you.
Absolutely.
This is not our full-time gig. We're just showing you guys having fun, and just as we have something cool coming up. We have a couple of cool planes already in the works.
Yes.
Not going to talk specifically about them, but one of them is going to be fast, and one of them is going to be a prop.
We may be taking delivery of something at Joe Null.
Yeah. We might be buying something at Joe Null.
We might be buying
We'll see.
something at Joe Null as well.
And we already have something that we have purchased that we're going to be picking up at Null. So take that as you will.
You're going to have to stay tuned to find out what we're doing.
I'm thoroughly excited about the one that we're going to possibly buy.
Yes.
And he's thoroughly excited about the one we're going to pick up.
That's right.
So if that gives you a hint.
Yes. Dan Landis with Boomerang RC. We'll see you soon.
Oh, you just gave it away.
Oh, well, hey, come on. But we're going to be picking up something at Joe Null. You can guess what it is. We're packed up. Please come by and see us. Would love to meet you. And we love doing this because all of you love the RC hobby just as much as we do. For all of our European followers and everybody across the pond, hopefully we'll get to meet you soon too. So if you're ever in the area, come by and check us out. We're going to be doing more events this year. We definitely are doing Joe Null, obviously. We're doing GL8, hopefully.
Great Lakes.
We're doing Freedom Fest. If you've, everybody knows Chris Barton. Freedom Fest was a blast last year.
Yep.
We're going to be doing Freedom Fest again this year, yes.
Yep.
And we're going to be doing many more. So stay with us, and we'd love to meet you. So let's do it.
All right. See you guys on the next one.